Another video. Today I got a special video. You know how I've been having some fidget spinners? I got a new one yesterday. It's this one. Y'all may have seen these before. They're at my school, and yeah, they are they're at where I live. They're at Exxon over there. They're at what's it called? They're at Exxon over there. They're only $10. Oh. But yeah, they're only $10 at Exxon. And I got them. Right, Mom, you bought me a fidget spinner.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to be testing how it feels. Head. No. Cheek. Chin. Ah. Cheek now. Ah. Ow. Okay, next one we're going to do is teeth. Everyone always does it, and usually it hurts. I'm going to do it slow, and then I'm going to do it fast. Not that bad, not fast. Ah! I don't know if y'all heard that, but I heard like from my teeth. God, that hurt. But we're going to be doing it fast. I'm going to try to transfer it. I transferred it. I really transferred it. I'm never going to transfer it. When am I going to transfer it? I'm trying to transfer it. Oh my gosh. Be back in a minute. Okay, this time I think that I'm going to make it. Dang, I'm not going to make it. Let's do it. Come on. Oh, I transferred it. I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but I transferred it. I'll transfer it again. Watch. Oh, I transferred it. Awesome. I just transferred the fidget spinner. Transferred a fidget spinner. Can't believe it. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to keep on spinning this fidget spinner. Just see if I can do that or something. Like, keep it like 3, 2, 1. I'll tell y'all when it's almost done. I think it's slowing down now. It's almost done, guys. It's almost done. It's almost done. Oh my gosh, it's almost done. You can see the fidget right there. And it's almost done. Man, that took a long time. But yeah, I'm just showing y'all some tricks that we can do for fidget spinners. Now I'm going to do. Another trick is my glasses. Oh, I think it like cracked or something. I don't know if y'all can see this whole thing right there. Where is it? See, like, if you can see, it's like right there where I'm using that little spot. That's where it did it. The fidget spinner. That's what the fidget spinner did. I probably look different without my what's it called, with my you know, never mind. Okay, but yeah. And leave in the comments down below if y'all like talkies. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. And make sure to look at fidget spinners. But yeah, I think I'll show
That's
that.
an interesting book, Simon. You're gonna have to read that.
Yeah.
That's very interesting.
I'm gonna end the video. If you like, smash the like button and subscribe. I'll see y'all in one of my next videos. Goodbye.